Hashtag We Gamma Math. It is time for us to get ready to level up. Yes. All right, I'm going to not take too much of your time, but I do want to remind you that we are having our level up challenge, and it involves you getting your dance on, so get yourself ready. All right, I can just see Russo shaking it. I can see Williams thinking he cool. I can see Robinson singing in the background, and my lovely Allison. I can see her trying to do a little something, something. And of course, I can't forget Ty. Ty's probably gonna do her old school dance. Jabril, he gonna sing it for us, and Mark. I cannot wait. Let's get ready. So, flashback last week. Russo launched blended learning, and so did Williams in their classroom. Let's give them a round of applause. They did an awesome job, and we have so much more to learn and grow. Robinson, I actually did forget about you, but I still love you. I came every day but the day I was supposed to record. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll follow through. And then Allison, as you revamp, we'll make that our focus for our O3 on Monday for your small group pull out. So that brings me to your O3 focuses for this week. Russo, we're going to be working on your blended learning revamp and hitting that EOM1 data review that we were supposed to be working on. Williams, we're going to keep pushing your blended learning revamp, and we're going to be trying to practice the rollout in your absence. Robinson, reviewing your data move from Friday that I did not get a chance to record. Forgive me. Allison, again, we're going to finalize that small group pullouts. So if you have not already completed it, just make sure that we get that hashed out. And then we're going to review our lesson and do a flashback of lesson 19, because I will have some data around that. Then week 8 and beyond, take a moment to read those announcements. Hispanic Heritage Month is all month long. October the 3rd is our data day, and it is a collective data day with Zenith and Liberation and Voyage. That's been in your notes for some time now. October the 3rd through the 5th, I will be off campus. I'll be in Houston, but I will be low tech, so just text me if you need me. The week of October the 8th is our regional intern benchmarks. We're off that 8th, and then Tuesday through Friday, we'll be hitting it hard for testing. Teacher Pathways will end October the 12th, but I'm going to try to get all of our Whetstone observations in by the end of next week, which is the 5th. So you can have time to look at my observations. Note that our observations will go towards putting you on the pathway, so let's take it as serious as possible. Last but not least, October the 12th is our grading cycle closes, and report cards go home on the 17th. And National Boss Day on October the 16th. So let's make sure that we show Prado some love on that day, and we'll work together for something. Have a good one, y'all.